Everyone, welcome to Budapest. We are here at Hero Square.
Hi everybody.
This is an introduction to our room tour video.
And what we did on the first day. Just to let you know, we're in District 6. The tourist district is 5, so we're very close. It'd probably be 2 kilometers to get to the tourist district. So come on in and we will show you around. What we have right here on the side is just a hall closet, and Steve is using that as a wardrobe closet. Further reasons as to why that is later on. Right behind us is a joining room. So the landlord has 2 units and it's a joining room, but the locks are on there and we feel secure, and we actually met the gentleman, so we're all good. This way we enter the kitchen. So the kitchen has everything that we need, just like all our other places. There is a dishwasher. The only exception I would say about the kitchen is that the fridge doesn't have a freezer, and we went grocery shopping and bought some meat. Totally forgot that there is no freezers. A little bit larger than a bar fridge, I would say. That's it really for the kitchen. It's relatively small, but it has our stovetop, no oven, and no freezer. So over here is our living room area. We have a pretty big couch and a 4-piece dinette set here for us to eat at, a nice large mirror, and on that side of the living room is a wardrobe again, and that's the one that I'm using. So our wardrobes for our clothes are on the main level, and upstairs is the bedroom, which we'll show you shortly, and you'll totally understand why our wardrobe is down here. Over here is the bathroom, and we have a washer and a dryer, and this is our first dryer, so we're super excited to have a dryer this time, but it does occupy a lot of the bathroom space. So it's quite small. Steve will go in here and just show you the shower. The shower does not have a hanging thing, so you have to stand here and do your thing. So,
or help each other.
So very small bathroom. We are managing though with this unit. When we first arrived, we were a little bit surprised just how small it was, but as we stay here, we're getting more and more comfortable with it and finding out how to make it work for us. I am happy about a dryer, so there are some pros to this unit, but there definitely are some cons too. But like everything in life, right? Sometimes you don't know really what you get until you get here. So trying to make it the best we can. So over here, we'll just show you the dinette set, and this brings in some light, which is good. And then Steve will show you that it's a loft design, so you can see the upstairs just from the main level here. So these are just the stairs that lead you up to the loft. We're at the top of the loft now, and where the bedroom is, and we maneuvered the 2 twins. They were initially facing this direction. However, we had to change it because we like to read at night, and we wanted our pillows up against the wall so that we could sit up and read. So we've repositioned it slightly. It is 2 twins that we pushed together. There are no end tables, so we're utilizing this desk here a bit. As you can tell, it's a very low ceiling, so Steve has to be very, very careful. I need to crawl over him in order for me to get out. So, you know, it's all workable, obviously. Beds are very comfortable. The mattress is giving us a good night rest, and that's what we're here for. Yeah, so this is the upstairs loft area. Now we're going to show you on our arrival where we went out for dinner.